Einstein's special relativity has stood for over a century, but its physical interpretation is fundamentally flawed. Today, we reframe relativity through the lens of Tetryonics. The Tetryonic correction table reveals the geometric reality behind Einstein's equations. We are moving from abstract transformations to deterministic equilateral fascia. Matter, like the electron, is not a point particle. It is a rigid 12-pi equilateral quantum rotor with 12 negative charges on its fascia. Crucially, its geometry does not contract. Magnetic moments arise from motion, generating a secondary chem field. This mv² field is the true relativistic energy, carrying both magnetic and kinetic electric components. Contrary to special relativity, Lorentz contraction applies only to the scalar equilateral KEM field, never to matter, space, or time. What we observe as time dilation is actually fascia curvature. Mass increase is simply KEM densification. Relativistic effects are field transformations, not physical distortions of reality. Einstein's mathematics survives, but the physical interpretation does not. Tetryonics, the unified geometric framework for humanity.